Hello students, hello guys, hello friends. It is me Adesh Sharma from Spoken English channel and Excellent English Coaching Center Jalalabad. In today's video lecture, I am going to tell you some essential phrases in daily use. देखते हैं one by one. I am going to tell you all the phrases in daily use. You are to watch the video from the starting till the end. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for the more information in English, for deep grammar, for translation, for fluently English. You are to subscribe the channel. Our today's first phrase. Someone has asked you, what do you do? What do you do? You can answer according to yourself. As in my case, I am a teacher, or I am teaching the student, or I am teaching the student. Sorry, you can say according to yourself, I am an engineer, I am a doctor, I am a teacher, I am a farmer, or I am a businessman. You can answer according to yourself. The second phrase of the day. Somebody has asked you, what are you doing nowadays? You can say, I am doing my business. I am doing my business. Someone has asked you, how old are you? How old are you? You can say, according to yourself, you can answer according to yourself, I am 25-year-old, or I am 42, or I am 49, or in my case, I am 46-year-old. In modern English, it is not essential to say year old. You can only say I am 46, I am 22, I am 25, I am 82, I am 75. I mean to say, you can answer according to yourself. Someone has asked you, what does your father do? What does your father do? You can answer according to yourself. My father is a teacher, or my father is a businessman, or my father is in government job, or my father is in private job, or my father is a farmer, or my father is a doctor. I mean to say, you can answer according to yourself. Someone has asked you, what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? You can answer according to yourself. My hobbies are teaching the student. As in my case, my hobbies are teaching the student, reading newspaper, walking in the morning, and listening the old music, old songs of Muhammad Rafi or Kishore Kumar. You can say according to self. You can answer according to yourself. You can name the new singer, but in my case, as Muhammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, I like the songs of Muhammad Rafi. I like the songs of Kishore Kumar. I like the songs of Lata Mangeshkar. Someone has asked you, what is your educational qualification? You can answer according to yourself. As in my case, I am an MA in English. You can answer, I am in 12th standard. I am in BSc standard. I am in the first year of BA. I am in the first year of graduation. I have completed my education. You can answer according to yourself. Someone has asked you, have you ever been to New Delhi? Have you ever been to New Delhi? You can answer according to yourself. Yes, I have been to New Delhi many times. Or you can answer according to yourself. No, I have never been to Delhi. I have never been to Delhi. If somebody has asked you, what does your dad do? What does your dad do? You can answer, my dad is a teacher, my dad is an engineer, my dad is a doctor, my dad is a farmer. You can answer according to yourself. You can answer according to yourself. Someone has asked you, what do you want to be? What do you want to be? You can answer according to yourself. I want to be a successful businessman, or you can answer according to yourself. I want to be a teacher, or I want to be an engineer, or I want to be a doctor, or I want to be a successful person in my life, or you can answer according to yourself. I want to be a very famous player of cricket, or I want to be a famous player of football. Someone has asked you which is the most famous game in the world, or which is the most popular game in the world. You can answer according to yourself. Football is the most popular game in the world, but I like cricket. Because in Asia, cricket is more popular than football. You can answer according to yourself, because you can tell your choice, your own interest. You can tell your own interest. Someone has asked you the next phrase of today. Someone has asked you, how many language do you know? You can answer according to yourself. I know Hindi and English betterly. I know only Hindi. I know only English. I know Hindi, English and Urdu. I know only Urdu. Some person know only Urdu, and some person know only Hindi, and some are all-rounder. As in my case, I know Hindi and English both very well. I can speak fluently English. I can teach fluently. I can study. I can teach. I am a good teacher. You can answer according to yourself. I know Hindi and English both language. Or someone has asked you, which city of India do you like most? You can answer according to yourself. I like Bangalore most, or you can answer I like Jaipur most, or you can answer according to yourself. I like New Delhi most. I mean to say, you can answer according to yourself. Someone has asked you how many members are there in your family. You can answer according to yourself. As in my case, there are 5 members in my family. Someone has asked you, what time do you get up? As in my case, I get up before 4 o'clock in the morning. What time do you go to temple? I go to temple at 5 o'clock in the morning. What time do you teach the student? I start to teach the student at 5 o'clock in the morning. You can answer according to yourself. How long have you been teaching in that college? You can answer according to yourself. I have been teaching in that college for 16 years. And in my case, you can answer according to yourself. Someone has asked you, how long have you been studying in this college? You can answer according to yourself. I have been studying in this college for 5 years. Or you can answer according to yourself. I have been studying in this college since 2000.